पूरा कपूरी तो भयानक कम दूर है, इतना देर भीड़ नहीं लगना चाहिए। बादाम लेना अच्छा ही है,
बहुत जबरदस्त दिया एकदम। मछली बड़ी है साला। Hello students. Yeah, good evening. Actually,
Good evening, sir.
there was
Good
a
evening.
there was an electricity issue in my house, so I came to different place to take the classes. Okay, so I think in last class we have studied um, till the free body diagram and equilibrium we were doing, isn't it? We were solving the problem of equilibrium. Is this okay?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Now do one more question today, then we will start the different thing. Twenty kg. This is 10 kg. This is 30 kg. This is the ground, and this is the force you are applying. That is F force. Is this okay? Here the normal is N1. Here the normal is N2, and at this place normal is N3. Find F N1 and N2 if N3 is equal to 1000 Newton. Do it first. If you are getting the answer, message me in chat box.
Sir, can you wait 1 more minute?
Okay, many of you have got the answer. F is 400 Newton. Only one student has got the answer. Yeah, and 3 has been given, and 2 is 800. I think you are right. Okay, let me do it. Today my handwriting may hamper because I'm taking class from a roof. This is the force F. This is the normal reaction N1, and this is 300 Newton. And now the free body diagram of 10 kg. N1 100 Newton. This is N2. This is 20 kg. This is the N2. This is 200 Newton. And this is N3. Is this okay? So all are in equilibrium. So write the equation on this 30 kg. F plus 300 will be equal to N1. That is the first equation. Write the equation on 10 kg. N1 plus 100 is equal to N2. This is the second equation. Write the equation on 20 kg object. 200 Newton downward force plus N2 is equal to N3. This is the third equation. So what is N3? N3 is 1000. Put the value of N3. You will get N2 is equal to 1000 minus 200. That is equal to 800 Newton. And if N2 is equal to 800 Newton, what will be the N1? N1 will be equal to 800 minus 100. That is equal to 700 Newton. Is this okay? And if we get the value of N1, we can easily get the value of F by putting this N1 value in equation 1. So this will be 700 minus the 300, that is equal to 400 Newton. Is this okay? In this manner we can calculate each and every force. Okay, good. Now tension. We will study a new topic that is known as tension. Tension is the force Dear student, just wait for 2 minutes. Yeah, yeah, you froze. Actually, there was some issue. Yeah. Um, tension. What is tension? Tension is the force applied by the tight string or tight rope. This is the force applied by the tight string or tight rope. Is this okay? Loose string cannot apply tension. Is this okay? Have you ever seen any rope or any string is applying a force? Have you seen that? Isn't it? Suppose this is the person, this is the stupid student, and suppose he is having a long hair, and suppose if I count his hair and I'm trying to lift him up, his hair is just like a string, and that will apply a huge force um, on the head. Have you got such punishment from your parents, from your teacher, or anyone? So
Yes, sir.
this type of, okay, very fortunate, good. So this type of force is known as tensor, because we can compare here with the string also, isn't it? And have you heard the name of kite? Have you played kite? Isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So you apply a force on the kite, that is by a string, isn't it? That you apply force on the kite, that is by a string, isn't it? And have you used the lift? Lift is also on the concept of pulley and rope system, isn't it? Rope actually pushes the lift, pulls the lift. Is this okay? So there are many use in our daily life where we apply the force by tight a string or tight rope. Is this okay? We can hold something in the roof also by the with the help of a string. With the help of a string, with the help of rope or a string, uh, what we can do? We can pull something. We can pull some heavy objects. Is this okay? So actually, this can be done. This force can be applied only by the tight string or tight rope. What is the difference between the string and rope now? I'm using two words, a string and rope. Mass of a string is tending to zero. Mass of a string is approximately zero, and the mass of the rope is not equal to zero. Is this okay? Mass of rope is non-zero. Is this okay? So mass of a string tends to zero. Mass of rope is having a considerable mass. It is not equal to zero. Is this okay? So now try to understand. Both have to be tight, and both string and rope applies applies a pull force. Both of them applies pull force, not a push force. They apply pull force. Is this okay? We can pull any object by the help of a string or by the help of rope. We cannot push any object by the help of a string or by the help of rope. Is this okay? Is this okay? Good. So a tension force is always pull in nature. Pull in nature. Is this okay? Tension force is always pull in nature. That will be pulling force, not a pushing force. Tension force is pull in nature. Is this okay? Good. Now, going ahead, suppose this is the string. This is the string. So what I am saying, if this is a tight string, I am writing one thing, tension at each and every point tension at each and every point. Tension at each and every point will be same in a string. Is this okay? In a string, tension at each and every point will be same. Is this okay? Tension at this point is suppose T1, tension at this point is T2, tension at this point is T3, and tension at this point is T4. So tension will be same everywhere. T1 will be equal to T2, T2 will be equal to T3, T3 will be equal to T4, and so on. Is this okay? Why this is happening? I'm trying to explain you. I'm trying to explain why this is actually happening. So suppose this is a string, and suppose this string is going in this direction with some acceleration a. Is this okay? And suppose I am taking a cross section, this section. Suppose this point is A and this point is B. So suppose if you will draw the free body diagram of AB, you will apply a force in this direction, that is tension at point B. You will apply another force in this direction, that is tension at point A. Is this okay? And as I said you, its mass is approximately 0, isn't it? And you can also feel it. What is the mass of a string?